Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. I am Melda. So today I will be preparing for you a Bahamian coleslaw with cran raisins. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. Okay, here are the ingredients. I already have the cabbage, carrots, green bell peppers, and the onion already prepared on the cutting board. Now they're being added to the mixing bowl. This is a quick and easy dish today. Just taking out the odd looking pieces. They wouldn't change the flavor if I was to keep them, but I just don't like the way they look. Okay, next is a handful of cran raisins. Just dried cranberries. With your salad, you can add anything you want. Fruits, vegetables, whatever. Here comes the lemon. Just a half of a lemon. Citrus is good. Sometimes they're so hard to squeeze. That's why I got this little apparatus here. All right, see, there's more in that. Good. A half teaspoon of sugar. Here comes the star, the Hellmann's mayo. That brings out the flavor in your food. Now with the mayo, you can add as much as you want or as less as you want. The more you add, the creamier the salad. The less the amount you add, the drier the salad would be. That was the sea salt. Red pepper flakes. Now you can substitute this with black pepper if you wish, but I don't use black pepper. So it's up to you. Here goes the mixing. Mix it until you get everything combined. Now the salad is ready. I'm just transferring it into a serving dish. There you have it. Bahamian coleslaw with cran raisins. Thank you for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. God bless you, and see you in the next one.